Engineer Rokaya Kamel, Dyca Media Advisor. Diabetic Youth Care Association Dyca is a non-for-profit, non-governmental organization categorized as health and well-being. One of its enabling projects is Dyca Interactive Social Cloud, abbreviated DISC. Thanks to cloud computing, a computing paradigm where a large pool of systems are connected in private or public networks to provide dynamically scalable infrastructure, application, data, and file storage. With the advent of this technology, the cost of computation, application hosting, content storage, and delivery is reduced significantly. The shown comprehensive video illustration may focus on the concept. Dyca Interactive Social Cloud aims at creating a cloud-based bilingual platform for youth members of Dyca, using internet and smartphones as a prime communication tool. Two main applications have been developed and currently functioning with DISC. First application is online exchange of Arabic and English tutorial videos and cartoons using social media applications such as WhatsApp application and Facebook. Second application is online admission exam for Dyca Kids Camp. In March 2019, Dyca was nominated a full member of NCD Alliance of Geneva. On May 2019, I have approached the local Egyptian NCD headed by Professor Adel Sayed, ex-chairman of IDF MENA region. My approach implied explaining and discussing using DISC by his team to disseminate anti-smoking culture among Egyptian teens. His team are now considering our approach.
Cloud computing, also on-demand computing, is a kind of internet-based computing that provides shared processing resources and data to computers and other devices on demand. It is a model for enabling ubiquitous, on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources which can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. Examples: networks, servers, storage, applications and services. Cloud computing and storage solutions provide users and enterprises with various capabilities to store and process their data in third-party data centers. It relies on sharing of resources to achieve coherence and economy of scale, similar to a utility over a network. Private cloud is cloud infrastructure operated solely for a single organization, whether managed internally or by a third party, and hosted either internally or externally. Undertaking a private cloud project requires a significant level and degree of engagement to virtualize the business environment, and requires the organization to re-evaluate decisions about existing resources. A cloud is called a public cloud when the services are rendered over a network that is open for public use. Public cloud services may be free. Technically, there may be little or no difference between public and private cloud architecture. However, security consideration may be substantially different for services such as applications, storage, and other resources that are made available by a service provider for a public audience and when communication is effected over a non-trusted network. Users access cloud computing using networked client devices, such as desktop computers, laptops, tablets and smartphones, and any Ethernet-enabled device such as home automation gadgets. Some of these devices, cloud clients, rely on cloud computing for all or a majority of their applications so as to be essentially useless without it.